If you're trading crypto right now and you feel like everyone else is winning except you, stop scrolling, because in the next minutes, I'm going to show you how real traders approach the market, not how influencers pretend to. Before we start, do this real quick. Subscribe to the channel, because this is not a one-video topic. This is a skill you build over time. Important disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Alright, let's get into it. The first strategy is trend following. Simple, boring, effective. Most beginners try to predict tops and bottoms. Professionals, they follow the trend. If the market is clearly moving up, they look for buys. If it's moving down, they either sell or stay out. Trend following works because you're not fighting the market, you're riding it. And no, this doesn't mean buy after a big pump. It means identifying structure, higher highs, higher lows, and entering with logic. The second strategy is support and resistance. This is where price reacts, where buyers and sellers actually care. Support is where price has historically stopped falling. Resistance is where it struggled to go higher. These levels are not magic. They work because thousands of traders are watching the same zones. When price approaches them, decisions happen. The third strategy is breakout trading. This is where volatility enters the chat. A breakout happens when price escapes a range or a key level with strength. But here's the trap: most breakouts are fake. Professionals wait for confirmation. Volume, structure, retests. Beginners jump in the second price moves fast and get trapped. If this already cleared some confusion for you, leave a like now. It helps more than you think. The fourth strategy is momentum-based entries. Momentum trading is about speed and timing. You're not holding for weeks. You're entering when the market shows clear energy in one direction. But momentum without rules is chaos. That's why pros combine momentum with structure, volume, and risk control. And this is where most people fail, because they confuse excitement with confirmation. If you're still here, you're already ahead of most people in crypto trading, because now we're entering the zone where real traders survive and gamblers disappear. The fifth strategy is risk management. Yeah, I know, not exciting. And that's exactly why it works. Professional traders don't think about how much they can make. They think about how much they're willing to lose before they enter a trade. Every single trade has a fixed risk, 1%, sometimes less. Not because they're scared, but because they understand one thing: the market should never have the power to wipe them out. If you risk too much, one bad trade destroys weeks of progress. If you risk little, you can be wrong and stay in the game. The sixth strategy is knowing when not to trade. This one hurts the ego. Most people think a good trader is always trading. In reality, the best traders spend more time doing nothing than clicking buy or sell. Sideways market? No trade. Unclear price action? No trade. You're tired, emotional, angry, or overly confident? Definitely no trade. Not trading is a trading decision. If this hit you, comment below. Not trading is a strategy. And now we reach the seventh strategy, the one that connects everything: mindset and discipline. You can know every strategy in the world, but if you don't follow your rules, you're not trading, you're gambling. Professionals have a plan before entering the market. They know where they enter, where they exit in loss, and where they take profit. And when the market tries to mess with their emotions, they execute the plan. No revenge trades. No "I'll make it back fast." No ego. Trading doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards consistency. And this is where most people fail. Not because the strategy doesn't work, but because they can't follow it long enough. If you really want to improve at crypto trading, stop looking for the secret strategy. Start building a simple, repeatable, sustainable system. Trend, levels, confirmation, controlled risk, discipline. If this video helped you see trading in a more realistic way, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Tell me, which strategy do you need to improve the most? See you in the next video. And remember, the market will always be there. You just need to still be standing when the right opportunity comes.